Hey YouTube, it's Amari here on the Three Slay Sisters. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, y'all can see me right here in a photo booth, or y'all see me right here. But let me hold up, guys. Let me move this right here. Shake this right here because I know y'all will. Why didn't it all pick up? Okay. Okay. So y'all might see me here, and y'all can still see me here. So today I'll be playing Roblox and many different games, but I will be playing Roblox today. Yeah. So let's get. Oh, don't mind them pictures, cause those pictures are ugly. Let's type in Roblox. Okay. My name is Duh. That's Mari, 2 L's and 2 H's with an S. Go at me. And guys, we are having a new bio. Our bio will be a better bio. I'm playing Rose Citizens. Our bio will be a better bio, and we will have our stuff, like our what's it called? What's it called? Our stuff. You will know, like the Instagram, our Snap, our stuff, our Facebook. I mean, I don't have Facebook. I do have Facebook, but I don't use it. I just use it to sign into stuff. But we will have that stuff. So yeah, if you don't know Rose Citizens is virtual, it's like real life kind of. Yes, I have a house, and yes, I have a car. I don't have the best car, but I'm working to get one. So yesterday was April Fool's Day. Yesterday was April Fool's Day, so happy April Fool's Day to you. Yesterday was also Nala's birthday. If you don't know Nala is our new sister. Go. If you want to know more about her birthday, go subscribe to the Crazy Kids Place. The link will be in the description below. Go do that right now. Like, pause the video. Pause it. I will give you like 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds. You better when to go subscribe to her and like all her videos, and yeah. Okay, so sorry for hearing the background noise. Y'all know I have brothers and sisters. Who was that? So Allie is right there trying to make slime.
Trying? Excuse me?
Yeah, girl.
Does this look like trying?
Y'all, move that. Yeah, that do look like trying. That don't look like slime.
She's just kidding, you guys.
I'm not kidding.
Yes,
No, for real. Y'all go. Like, no, I'm not kidding. What are you talking about? Why? Oh, the thing is right there. Who texts me? Woo. Parties. I got invited to a party. I'm Gucci. I need to work and stuff. Sorry. I'm broke. I see how much money I have. I have 1,500. I can't drive for nothing. Well, I wanted. It's for. Oh, cause that dumb big car is there. That's why. You know what? Let's just. Hold up. Let me see something. It's for real. Now let me go. Hold on. Wait. Let's spawn the other. Oops, I didn't mean to. Undertaker, because that one was dumb. See, this one is much better. And let's make noodles. Let's what I was about to do? Something. I don't know. Let's go find space. I hate when the cars do this. Find some space for my house. I might get a bigger house. I don't know when. I said I might, so. Oops. I can't drive from the time. I have to remember where I live because I'll be lost. But at least they have a go-to button. So I see some. Oh no, that's not that. It's for sale. Sign. Yep, that's a for sale sign. No, that's not. That's a stop sign. Yeah, where my. Oh, right here. So this will do. It's cool. I don't care. This is YouTube. Am I living by somebody? Oh yeah, that's fine. Okay. I claim this. I claim this. I claim this. Oh, sorry. I just needed it to be parked at my house. I know it was literally right there. Sorry if y'all can't see me because I can barely see my face. But, why are my blinds open? It's dark in here. Where's my face like that? Oh. I need to fix my face. I'm gonna go to work at like 7 because I need to work, and I work at the hospital. I love it. I'm about to eat something. My refrigerator is stacked. Why did this look like orange when I was outside? What should we eat? What should we eat? Oh, what's this? Oh, that's lasagna. Let's just eat that. I don't feel like cooking. Let's go watch some TV, close some blinds. I don't like creeps. You know what? Since I have money, do I have a Wister face? I need to buy a toilet. Do they have a toilet on here? I have a sink. They do have a toilet. How much is this? Okay. What is it? Oh, different colors. Take white. And I want this jacuzzi, but I'm getting a hot tub. Bath. I really don't need a bath. A bathtub. And I was on the phone with Jennifer. I called me, but she didn't answer. She went outside. She left me. Actually, I kind of like left her because I was at the wreck. But, whatever. But I didn't do that. I don't know what is the right way. That's not the right way. Okay, that's the right way. Okay. What is this going? Let's see some light up in here. Yeah, Ali might have a YouTube channel. I said might, so don't be looking.
Yeah, you guys. I might.
Yeah, I'm not editing this video. So just like, if you don't want to see this part, then just, I don't know, but I'm not editing this video. Just upload it like it is, because this video might be very, very long.
Which one? Yes?
So,
I'm losing.
yeah. Oh my gosh, it's 9 o'clock, bruh. See, like, Roblox, like, let's... It was 5, it's 8 now. Oh. What are they talking about? I'm trying to sit. Okay, you know, forget it. I'll stand up and eat. How about that? Maybe I should buy a chair. Which one? This one or this one? Yeah, I'll go with this one. I'll buy another one. Okay, I bought 2. One out here, one in my room. I'll show y'all my room. Hold on. Or I might eat in my room. I don't know. I'll place it over here since I'm not using it. I could just get it when I'm using it. Okay, it's in my room. I don't know. I'm gonna place it right here. Oh shoot! I meant to turn it around. I'll just move it when I'm ready. What is this? I eat some lasagna. They eat so weird. They eat with their hands. I'm not better at that. Don't they eat weird? Well, I'm done eating. That was fast. No. Oh, that's too much. Because I'm hungry. Okay, it's good and kind of green. This right here, if y'all can't see it. Okay, I'm gonna shower after this. Then I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm not going to work today, it's okay. I need my stove. Okay, done. I'm about to go shower. Why is it glitching? Oh, I hate this. I freaking hate this. Okay, good, it's back. Whew. No, it's not. Why is it so slow? I hate this. It is glitching. I freaking hate this. Oh my lord. I'm about to restart it. I don't want to. You can't shower? Oh, where I press? Oh, you could shower. I did it wrong. So I just go in there. Yep. Hello. So, I'm not showering. What letter is it? No. Okay. Hello? No, I don't want to do that. You know what? I'm getting up because it's not letting me shower, so. Nope. Bye. I'll buy a bath. How much is a bathtub? I'll buy one now because I need a shower. I did this. You tried that. Oh no. That's like that sound. Oh no. It's getting darker. It is 3 a.m. Wow. Roblox. Wow. Whoa. It worked. Oh, I could bathe, I could bathe, I could bathe. I'm here to clean, clean, clean. Okay, good, I'm getting clean because I'm not a dirty child. Alleyway? Oh.
Wait, you're actually doing
That. That was. Sorry if I couldn't sleep for the last few parts. I didn't know. What? How am I supposed to get out? How am I supposed to... what? Close that door. Nobody better come in here. Close. Yeah, I'm gonna do a video decorating my... What's it called? Oh, this TV's still on. Decorating my backyard. So stay tuned for that video. It might be today, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, maybe never. But it's like it won't be never, cause I will do it. Not better lie to them. So shoot, those lights are on, but it's okay cause I'm gonna go to sleep. Then I'm gonna wake up. Well, why am I going to sleep? It's freaking 4. Who cares? After I get my rest, I will eat. I will sit down on the couch because, you know, I will, actually I was in the chair because they won't let me sit on the couch. They said, this spot is not valid. Please pick a valid spot. I'm like, huh? It is 5:02. It don't look like it. Look like it's like 1 or something. My phone is about to die. Am I done sleeping? No. I did this. You tried that. Something. Can you look up Spotify on here? I mean, you could look up anything, but I'm like saying where it works. I don't know. I did this. You tried that. Oh. I want to sign in. Oh, I need to know what's the face it. My phone better die. 3%. What is this? I sign in. Log in. Am I done sleeping? It's only 6. What Wi-Fi am I on? Oh no. That's why it's going slow. See? It loads faster. What is my Mari _2 cute? My password. Yeah, you can remember because well, I'll download it. I did this. You tried that. I'm gonna walk on the block. See, that was so easy. Wait, what? Please don't do that administrator stuff. It's downloading. That was easy for real. Wow. Slow. Oh no, it's not slow. Is it done? Huh? Oh. Ow. I need to try. Where's my purse? Where's my purse? I did this. You tried that. Where's my purse? I said, hello, it's done. Oh my gosh, Dominic is so cute there. Dominic, oh my gosh, some noodles. I want some noodles. You need to make me some. Ow! Freak. I might have deserved that. Oh, they have a noodles emoji. I thought that was some spaghetti or something. What am I doing in Roblox? Let me see. The only reason I'm doing Spotify, y'all, is because I want to listen to some music. But, you know what? There's something called YouTube. Y'all know what? Well, who calling me? Or who texted me? Or somebody text. Ba. Y'all, before y'all even think about Sorry, yeah, little. So, go freaking look at these. Where did it go? Oh, where? Oh, it's right here. Before y'all do anything, go look at all of these videos. If y'all haven't, look at these videos. Sorry, I'm looking up the views. Whatever, let's go back to Grove City Sounds. Oh, it's 11. 12. 11. Oops. Okay. They gotta be lying. They cheated me. They cheated me. They cheated me. I ain't lose no connection. What? Oh, yeah, I lost connection. I can't just walk. Yeah. I've lost connection. Anyways. Let's see how long this video is. Guys. Wait. Go look at these videos. Guys, we love you guys so much. I was not digging up my nose. I was like this. Why do you keep telling me? I was not digging up my nose. But no, for sure I was not digging up my nose. I was there. But go freaking like all these videos, like this video, for more videos. Subscribe to the 3 Slay Sisters for more videos. I'm not editing this video, y'all know. I'm not editing this video because it's too long. But we love you guys so much. Y'all know that. Yeah. Peace out. Peace out. I have to press stop recording. Peace out.